How to create a blog with Jasper.ai. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take help from AI in blog writing. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Jasper.ai. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into Jasper, tap to start free trial. Now you can see your account here in the left side dashboard. Then click to create new content. Click the new blog post option to create content. You can give your blog topic as digital marketing or whatever you want. After that, type the tone of voice. You can change the input or output language if you want to. Then click to generate. After a few seconds, you can see the block on your right hand. Highlight the block to view it in one short block page. You can copy it from here or add it to your favorite and open it in Docs. If you click on three dots from this page, you can find two options, delete or show inputs. Lastly, tap on Preview to have a proper look of a blog.